Kilala mo ko, Lia. Alam mo, hindi ko ginagawang joke time nung masilusok na ako. Palagi ko na lang siya nakikita. Natatakot ako na kapapati kayo ay madamay sa kalabuhan ng gawa ko.
What about the others? Wala akong problema at pinapaniwalaan kita. Pero paano ipapalawan sa kanila ang nakita mo? Lalo na wala kang pruweba.
That's why I need your help, Leader. Please, samahan mo ako. At papatunay ko sa'yo na hindi ko lang gawa-gawa yun.
As long as di ako mapapahamak, willing akong tulungan ka. Pero paano?
Hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko mapapatunay ko yun na hindi ka nagdadamay sa kalabuhan ng gawa ko. But I need the witness. Are you willing to help?
I see you don't believe me. Leah, don't listen to me. Just go in and stay. See, this is why I told you that we should stay away from this weirdo.
I'm telling you, I keep on seeing him everywhere. It's like he's following me. Hindi ako nababaliw na ako. I know what I saw.
Seryoso ka ba, Ilan? Narinig mo ba yung sinasabi mo? That's absolutely absurd. Unless you can give me some solid proof that that ghost is real, don't expect me to believe you.
Please believe me. Nakita ko talaga siya. And you know why I open my eyes to see stop.
Can I really trust you? After all that happened? Balik ko na ko isipin mong papaniwalaan kita.
That is enough, Naomi. Wala ka bang ibang magawa kundi malitin ang naramdaman ng iba? Kung kanya nila ang magtututo mo kay Eden, let's stop it.
Come on, Leah. Are you really siding with them over me?
Oo, and you want to know why? Because I don't tolerate people and sorry wala siya. Umalis ka na, bago pa ako makapagsalita ng hindi maganda dahil sa iyong pagkakari.
You're pathetic, Leah.
As if you're any better. Know your place, Naomi.
Why are you guys even fighting anyway? Not like it's such a big deal. It's just being dramatic.
As if you're the one who talk.
What? Excuse me?
Stay out of this, Francesca.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar.
Leah, halika nga dito. Bakit ganito yung answer mo? Hindi ka ba nag-aral?
Do you know how incredibly impulsive and stupid that was?
What are you saying?
Don't play dumb with me yet. I saw what you did. Are you crazy?
Mind your own business.
My own business? You killed someone!
You na?
Are you out of your mind?
Wala ko sa tamang katinoan. Please!
And what has Abby even done to you anyways?
I was supposed to start Francesca, but Abby saw me. I can't let her stage.
You did all of that just for Aiden?
You wouldn't understand. He was a victim. They all deserve to die.
That's not your decision to make, Ian. You're crazy! Go!
Tatay sinisipon.
Kailan talaga i-follow yung script?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Quinchana. Quinchana. Ting, ning, 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 ning. Ku menahan.
Eat well, Shell. Mama.